Alright guys, so I'm here at the High Line at Hughes Center Apartments here in Las Vegas. So let's go check these out.
Usually have residents that come. This room is actually multifunctional as well. These are small, like study rooms. A lot of residents use it for podcasting. So little small rooms like this, you have access to. This will be courtyard hours. Courtyard hours are open. You actually have some champion fighters here. They live here.
That is so cool.
So when those guys are boxing and throwing each other around, I just spin bikes and we get virtual yoga classes.
Oh wow.
You have a steam room. We're just waiting for one part. I'll show you without the furniture. So this is the one bedroom. And with the one bedroom, it comes here with a double door refrigerator and ice maker. And I'd like to offer you a snack.
Oh, thank you so
Yes,
much. I
go
appreciate
Here you go.
Thank you, hon.
My pleasure.
So nice.
Also comes with that gas stove, in which this is removable, so you can grill here.
Got it.
It comes with a here,
Oh,
here,
yeah.
valet trash. You put your trash here, sit at the front door, and then
Yes.
you have your dishwasher right
Wash
here.
it there.
Mhm.
Nice.
And here would be your wash and dryer here in the home. comes with that double door refrigerator, ice maker right there, and the stove, a gas stove.
This is so pretty. Same like layout and stuff. Like that. Okay guys, so that was the High Line at Hughes Center. You guys, Leslie was so friendly. She took me literally everywhere in the apartment. She took me in the sky view. Did you see that view? Holy crap. Oh, and then another thing, the eclipse was happening and she had the glasses, so she like let me borrow them. That was the first time I've ever seen an eclipse, so that was really cool. So let's get on with the specs. So the fees are smart home is $45 monthly, valet waste is $25 monthly, common area maintenance is $70 monthly, so bulk internet fee is $50, a package locker is $5, cable is $50 monthly, application fee is $60 one time, and I'm pretty sure it's per applicant. Administration fee is $350 one time. Pet fee for one dog is $500. So the one that she showed me was a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom model unit, and then she showed me a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom without any furniture. That way you guys could see like the layout. And then she showed me a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom layout as well. So that one was really cool. Just remember the prices do change every single day. So if you do like something that is on your budget list, definitely give Leslie a call and lock it in. Also, you do have to make 2.5 times base rent. Okay, you guys, now let's see how far everything is at from these apartments. So Walmart. So I feel like this one would be the closest one to these apartments. That one is going to be 13 minutes. There is also this one here, and that is 16 minutes. So you don't have a Walmart very close to you. It's going to roughly be between 13 and 16 minutes. You have a Target on Maryland Parkway, and that is 7 minutes. Okay, you have a Costco that is 14 minutes away. You have a Sam's Club that is 13 minutes away. Okay, you have a Smith's that is 11 minutes away. Albertsons, you have 7 minutes away. Okay guys, as you can see, there's really not a Trader Joe close to it. So let's just try and see how far this one is. That one is 19 minutes. This one is 18 minutes. So they're about the same depending on which one you want to go to. You do have a Sprouts, and this one is 12 minutes or 15 minutes. So your best bet is this one right here, which is 12 minutes. Okay, you don't have a Winco close to you, so this one would be 20 minutes or 18 minutes. Okay, so the closest Whole Foods I would say is this one here, and that is going to be 15 minutes. The airport is going to be 12 minutes away. IKEA is going to be 22 minutes away. The Paris Hotel is going to be 9 minutes away. I'm pretty sure you're right. Do you see where that blue dot is? That's where we're at, and that is how far the Paris Hotel, which is the strip that I like to always choose, which would be 9 minutes away. Fremont Street is going to be 15 minutes away. Okay, so you do have a couple of bus stops. You have one right here, which is a 7-minute walk, or this one, which is a 9-minute walk, or this one 8 minutes away. So you do have a couple of bus stops close to you. You just have to walk it to get there. Okay, you guys, so what I think about the place, it's really nice because the apartment is surrounded by a lot of like businesses. So you don't really get the foot traffic like if you were surrounded by homes and stuff. You do get, I would say, the busy element of it because of obviously it's so close to the strip, so you will be seeing a lot of like taxis and I'm pretty sure a lot of tourists. But what's cool is that the apartment is located in like it's closed in with the businesses. I'll just show you in a minute at like the outside of what I'm seeing, and this one is a busy road because it takes you right to the strip. I will say this, the area located around these apartments are not the very best. From what I saw, there is a lot of security around these apartments, and then also you have to use a fob key to get in everywhere. So that's a huge plus, I would say, because then you know that no one is just trying to get in, you know. But overall, you guys, this place was really cool. I like it. I like the style of it. It was an Elysian property, so a lot of them have very similar floor plans and just probably a little bit different of like the finishes, but it definitely looks like an Elysian, but it is definitely owned by somebody else. But if I missed anything, you guys, please leave it down below. I will definitely answer it for you. But I hoped you liked this video. I hoped it has helped you. Please contact Leslie, let her know that I sent you. You guys, she was super friendly, and she just literally took the time to take me everywhere, so I definitely thanked her for that. Alright guys, so that being said, thank you so much for coming. I really do hope that this has helped you. If this is one on your list, I hope that you can see like how far everything is at, and if it just, you know, meets your needs, your budget, everything. But please, I always encourage people, go have a look for yourself as well, and then, you know, have a feel for it as well. But thank you guys for coming with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and then turn on post notification bell. That way, as soon as I upload, YouTube will let you know. Thank you for coming, and I will see you in my next either vlog or apartment, whichever one. I'll see you guys then. Bye.